This is the Epson Ecotank L3210. It's a good printer. I wouldn't say it's the best of the best, but it works. So if you just want something that can work, something that does just some light printing and scan and copy, maybe just a little bit of like a small office, I think this is going to be okay. From the packaging, Epson says it can print in black and white 8,100 pages and in colored 6,500 pages. This is yet to be confirmed. I cannot confirm this information, but that is what is written on the packaging here. As you can see, they say it can print, copy, scan, and also that you can be able to input paper from the rear. So that's that from the box. The other thing that is important is that these type of printers are ink printers. So you load up ink. Cartridges are a little bit expensive, and so these ones now try to target that market and try to target that solution. So these ones have inks. You refill these inks, and these inks are cheaper compared to cartridges. So you are from the box, I know they provide you with the inks, but refilling is not as expensive, and it's also easy to refill by yourself. So let's get into it. Just a cardboard box, very nice, some nice packaging from Epson. Right away we get the software disk. We have some manuals. I will do an in-depth review of this product, so be sure that you have liked, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified. You can see the inks that I'm talking about. You have them there, the yellow, the magenta, the black, and the cyan. There are two blacks. So there's one at the top, and then there's this one. So that's from the factory. That's nice. We have a power cable. It's a simple power cable. Great. And we also have this printer cable. Now this printer cable was provided to me by the shop or the dealers that deal with this. So I don't know if you will get this when you buy, but from where I bought this, they gave me this free of charge. All right, so let's get into it. I'm just going to remove all these, put them aside. And here is, let me just remove this box. Here is the printer itself. So it's wrapped in paper, wrapped in polythene. So very simply, you just unwrap, and this is what we expect. I don't know. All right, it's a very nice product. I'm loving everything about it. I hope you can see. This is the Epson L3210 Ecotank. This is the front face, or this is the front side. They've put in tapes all over. I think it's to hold the plastics together. There's a little bit of a manual here. I think this is a quick start guide. We have the buttons right there. Some nice tactile buttons, very nice. I think there is also some lead of some kind. This is the side profile, not bad. We have some information from Epson there. This is the back side, and we have our power port right there. All right, I want to believe this is where you load up the paper. We have our printer port to this side. You can see there's a printer port there, and it's labeled USB. Good. Yeah, so this is a nice printer. It's an average printer. I wouldn't call it the best of the best. It works for just some light printing here and there. Not that top quality kind of printing, but it works. It's not so expensive. It's quite fair. The price is quite fair. So I think this one they targeted, the middle market, right? Not the high end. So yeah, I will be installing this printer. I will be taking it to the client and installing it in about a day's time from now. So make sure you subscribe, follow, like, comment what you like to see, what you like me to do with it, what you like to know about it. I will try to answer all the questions, all the comments. I will also be doing a detailed review of the same product. We'll also try to even set it up, print, to check the quality of the printing, check the quality of the papers and all that. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for that. Yeah, so that was the unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like. If you like this kind of content, also subscribe. Thank you so much for those who are watching for the first time. Welcome, and those who have been with me, those who like this channel, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.